Hello, I'm Noah Kretz, and today I will be showing you how I planned a neighborhood yard sale using 5 different Google elements. So, I think that this is a really good topic for us to use within a Google Applications class because it shows how we can create a more advanced topic using 5 different Google elements that interact with each other. So I could use 2 different elements to create something that's a little bit more advanced and organized. And I decided to do a neighborhood yard sale because I've lived in my neighborhood for almost 7 years, so I know the place somewhat well. The first element that I decided to use though was Google Sheets, and I decided this would be a really good element to use because people can write what their name is, the item that they're bringing, the price of the item, and the condition that the item would be in. So I created a very small Google Sheets here where I would email this to everybody, and you'll see that later. But I'd email this to everybody, and they would write down their name, the item they're bringing, the price of the item, and the condition the item was in. This would help people understand what's going to be at the sale and how much money to bring, as well as what they might be able to get and what they want to get. So the second element I decided to use was Google Drawings, and I thought this was a really good element to use because in almost every single yard sale you will see a sign that points you in the direction of the yard sale. So I decided that I should do that too for mine. So I created a very small sign that just has a little black outline that says neighborhood sale, and it has an arrow that points in the direction of the sale. Again, I thought this was a really good element to use so that people knew where their sale was. The third element that I decided to use was Gmail. And I decided to use Gmail so that people could access certain documents so that the event would be a little bit more organized. So in Gmail, I just created a small little message saying that there would be a yard sale hosted in my neighborhood and everybody would be coming. The date would be the 22nd of July and it would be held in the park. I also noted that there was a link attached to this email, and the link goes straight to my Google Sheets, where again everybody can write down their name, the item that they're bringing, the price of the item, and the condition that the item is in. So the fourth element that I thought would be a really good element to use was Google Calendar. And I thought Google Calendar was really good to use because it has all of the information for the yard sale. And I thought that if all of the information was in one place, that a lot more people would understand what was going on when the yard sale would happen and what they could bring or do. So I created a very small Google Calendar date that says the neighborhood yard sale will be on the 22nd of July from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And I created a small note at the bottom that said there would be a neighborhood yard sale in the Avalon Park from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And I also wrote down the location. So the fifth element that I decided to use was Google Maps, and I used it to show the area that the event would be held in. And I thought this was really good to use because a lot of people might not know where to go so that they could take part in this yard sale. So I went into Google Maps and I created a very small little point here on top of the open building in the park. So this point just says that the neighborhood yard sale would be located in the park in the open building next to the playground, because our neighborhood has a sizable park with sports fields and an entertainment area. So that is how I planned our neighborhood yard sale using 5 different Google elements. Thank you.